Welcome back. Let's do question 1, 2, 3. Simplify the following expression fully. This is an exponential expression. We have to write these bases as products of their prime factors. So 25 is what? 25 is 5 squared, and then to the power negative x, and then times 15. 15 is 3 times 5. 3 times 5, the dot there for times, and then x plus 1. And then we have these bases are already prime here, so it's 3 then to the power x, and then 5 to the power negative x, right? And then the first one here, we're raising a power to a power. Remember, x to the power a to the power b is equal to x to the power ab. We're going to say 2 times negative x here is going to be 5 negative 2x. And then this is the raising a product to a power. Remember that x, y to the power a is equal to x to the power a and y to the power a. See that? Remember? So it's going to be 3 to the power x plus 1, and then 5 to the power x plus 1. We're dealing with this one here. And then we're done with the numerator. Let's go to the denominator. Denominators are still fine. The bases are already prime, so it's 3 to the power x times 5 to the power negative x. We can do it differently here, but what we can do, we can deal with this base, these powers with base of 5, and then the powers with base of 3 there. When multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents, isn't it? So let's start with 5, base 5. So it's going to be 5 negative 2x plus x plus 1. This one plus this one. And then when dividing powers with the same base, we subtract the exponent. So for this one, we have to subtract negative x. So it's going to be minus negative x. We're done with the powers with a base of 5. And then we come to the powers with a base of 3. So we have 3, and then x plus 1, which is this one here. And then we're dividing 3 to the power x, so we're subtracting the exponent there. So it's going to be negative x. Okay, let's simplify our exponents. It's going to be 5 to the power negative 2x plus x plus 1 plus x. Then 3 to the power 1, because x minus x is 0. Negative 2x plus x is negative x. Negative x plus x is 0. So we remain with 5 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1, which is 15.